Today we're gonna play some with some. It's like galaxy slime. It's really cool. It's not putty. It's not little. It's actually galaxy slime that I made. It's pretty at my cousin's house. So let's just get this open. And this one is not sticky like the last one. It's pretty. So I'm gonna get it out. It's not sticky like in other videos. This one is like a bath ball. I'm playing a ball. Guys, comment down below if you can roll your swimming pool. If it won't stick to me. Hold on. Yep, it bounced that far. And don't never mind about that. Now, go over and get it. Try to stretch it. This one is not, see, it's not sticky. Look, oh, it will just stick to my hand, but no. And we're gonna stretch. I do have another galaxy slime that my cousin made. It's like a way darker purple, but I don't know where it went. So, yeah. Sorry if you hear water on someone's taking a shower. I'm not sure who it is. Probably for school and that. And I'm not going to school because I'm sick. You're like, why are you playing a song if you're sick? Well, it calms me down. It just makes me a little feel better. Because look at it. It's so good for sushi. But I think that will be it for the video. And yeah. Bye. I'm just going to get all of this away.